Today I want to talk about a new innovation from Columbia. We call it Throttle box. It's a corner box, same as always, but it comes with some spring tension that automatically, when engaged, pushes the door towards releasing the mud into your angle. This idea was brought to us from TK Drywall in Pennsylvania. At the show, they were like, hey, why don't you make a corner box that's like the Power Assist flat box? Like I say, just a corner box. That you are able to engage spring tension on quite easily by adding the springs to these two posts on the top. What that does is it automatically engage the door and want to push it in. We found it approximately 50% easier to push this corner box. And what that allows you to do is potentially use thicker mud. It also eliminates the air pockets that people get when they're taping. When they're going down the angle, they flip upside down to come up the angle on their vertical angles. The door moves a bit, air is brought in, and it now requires to be pushed out. People have many names for this: burping, air pockets, more creative names. But the bottom line is this eliminates that. That might be even bigger than the 50% push. I mean, the 50% push is beautiful, just so much easier to use for your arms, your back, your shoulders. But the air pocket elimination is huge. Filling it, you can fill it. You can fill it through the valve with the springs engaged. It's not a problem. We thought that might be a problem. We were very pleasantly surprised. This is a patent pending product. We hope that we're able to get a patent issued on it and have it within our intellectual property for years to come. We've decided to release this on all of our corner boxes. So there no longer is a standard Columbia 7-inch corner box or 8-inch corner box. There's just a 7-inch throttle box and an 8-inch throttle box. We're not charging any more for this innovation. We really want to get this in people's hands. It obviously costs us more to do, the componentry and the assembly time. It does cost us more, but we're not going to pass that cost along to the consumer, as we want them to try this box. We're very happy about it, and we're very happy they shared the idea with us, and they're going to help a lot of people run their angle box. One of the things Tom shared with me at the trade show was he would like it if his wife could run the corner box. I think we've solved it. I think that one of the top questions we get through our text, of course, the automatic taper, is how to properly run the corner box, how to mix my mud, how to not get air pockets. These issues come up a lot in questions. This box, we think, answers all those questions. We're going to release it on July 4th, and it's going to be available for purchase. All our corner boxes will be a throttle box at that point. And I really hope this answers a lot of people's questions or rather eliminates the question altogether. Check out TK's Instagram page to watch footage of the throttle box running.